Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at the noble gases in the periodic table, and I've got 3 examples here to show you important information about the electron configurations. So for helium, we can see that helium has 2 electrons and they're going to be arranged 2 in the first energy level. Neon has got 8 electrons, so that's going to be arranged 2 and then 8. And argon has got 18, which is going to be 2, 8 and 8. And what you notice about each of these structures is the outer energy level is full. So you've got full outer energy levels, which means that they're going to have some very special properties. So full outer energy level, they don't need to have electrons added to them, or they don't need to lose electrons in order to become stable. So they are stable as they are here, and therefore, because they don't need to add electrons or lose electrons, they are going to be unreactive. And in chemistry, the word we use for something that is unreactive is inert. Okay, so inert means unreactive. Because of this feature, we have certain special properties for them. Here's some of the properties that we have got. So the first property is that these noble gases have a very low density. So I'm sure you've been to a party where you've seen balloons that are floating up above, and those balloons will contain helium, and they float because they have a low density. Other 2 key properties are linked to this key feature, their electron arrangements. So we know that they are inert. So the old-fashioned style light bulbs, inside this part of the bulb here was filled with argon. So when the metal filament got hot, it didn't react because these gases are inert. And here they're not flammable, so linking these 2 things together, this is a piece of metal that's going to be welded together. And what we don't want to do is, as this metal gets hot, we don't want it to react with oxygen in the atmosphere. So around the area where they're going to join, they create an argon atmosphere. Argon is a noble gas, it's unreactive, therefore the metals can join without oxygen getting involved in that reaction. Some of the key things about noble gases, so here they are in the order they're found in the periodic table. And as you go down the group, then you will notice that the boiling point increases. And also as you go down the group, then the density increases. So they do have a low density, but as you come down, the pattern is that the density increases.